Through the mountains and the misty fjords, where the rails twist like winding cords, the old Voss line hums its song, a journey proud though times were long. Steam and smoke once carved the way through winters harsh and skies of gray. But years went by, the tracks grew still, a ghost of steel, a valley's thrill. Raise your hammers, clear the rails, volunteer hearts that never fail. Through the storms and the drifting snow, the old Voss line will proudly go. Bridges groan and sleepers creak, but hands of hope restore the peak. Each bolt and beam, each careful turn reminds the world of lessons learned. From Bergen town to Voss so high, the whistle echoes neath the sky. Line reborn by tireless hands, uniting dreams across the lands. To the line and those who stay, keeping history alive today. Through mist and time it rides again, the Old Voss line, our treasure train. The Old Voss line, our treasure train.